Okay, so we'll continue next part. Okay, so next part is the realization of IR digital filters. The realization of IR and FIR both we are going to cover here only. The FIR is with respect to next unit. Okay, so realization of IR digital filters. So the to realize this, I mean, we know this one realization methods we have studied in the last semester, signals and systems, right? So two methods we have studied, right? Direct form 1, direct form 2, right? So we'll see some more methods here with this direct form 1 and 2. We'll see some more realization methods. Okay. uh, so we know this h of z, digital filter h of z, can be realized in different forms and structures. So to realize this we need some basic blocks, right? One is a multiplier. We know already this symbol is known as a multiplier. X of n is the input, y of n is the output, which is written as a into x of n, where a is multiplying, right? Or it can be also written in this form, right? One more is delayed form, unit delay form. The x of n is the input, z inverse is a block, and you get y of n is equal to x of n minus 1. So this is summer. X of n, x1 of n, x2 of n, x3 of n, all these blocks are fed to this. Output y of n is nothing but summed version of this, right? Okay, so first is IR digital filter. We'll see the IR filter digital filter realization. Then we'll see the FIR digital filter realization. Okay, so transfer function of IR digital filter consists of numerator and denominator terms. So it means that IR filter consists of poles and zeros. Okay, right. You know already this. We have seen the transfer function of IR digital filter. It consists of zeros as well as poles. I mean both the numerator and denominator terms. So when the transfer function is converted to difference equation, it can be seen that the IR digital filter present output is usually the function of present input xn and past input x of n minus k, and the past output y of n minus k. So IR digital filter realized in this form is called recursive structure. So the different types of IR filter realizations are direct form 1, direct form 2, cascade form, parallel form, transpose form. Right, now if we go to FIR digital filter, right, equation of FIR digital, we have to see that design and all, but here just for this thing, the realization part we can complete and then we'll go to the design part. So FIR digital filter consists of only zeros. Okay, this is one important thing. The FIR digital filter consists of only zeros, only numerator term. So when the transfer function represents difference equation form, the present output function y of n is a function of present input x of n and the past input x of n minus k. Okay, the filter when realized in this structure is known as non-recursive filter. Okay, so one thing you understand, for FIR filter, for IR filter, the both numerator and denominator exist. The both zeros and poles will exist there. Whereas in FIR there will be no zero, there will be no poles, only zeros will be there. Okay. Right, so various forms of non-recursive FIR filter are tap till line, linear phase, frequency sampling, and lattice structure. Right, so first is IR we have seen, right? Transfer function is given, one example is given. In direct form 1, direct form 2, cascade, and all the forms which has been listed there, right? So this is the equation given. For direct form 1, it is kept as it is. So this h of z can be written as y of z by x of z is equals to 1 minus 5 into z inverse. You simplify this and write this 1 minus 5 z inverse plus 6 z into minus 2, 1 plus 6 z into minus 1, 8 z into minus 2. Okay, right. So if you cross multiplying, you get y of z plus 6 into z inverse y of z plus 8 into z is to minus 2 y of z, x of z minus y of z is to minus 1 x of z plus 6 z is to minus 3. So taking inverse both the sides, you get this equation. You can directly realize this. You know this direct form one we have already done. Okay, so this is the xn, this is x of n, this is y of n. Delays with multipliers. This is summation, summer. With respect to xn, I am writing on this left hand side. So you can see minus 5 plus here the multiplier terms. This goes to this summer, and this on the y side, this is goes to this summer. Minus 6 plus 8. This is direct form 1. For direct form 2, what you have to do, you have to divide this transfer function. So y1 of z, p of z divided by x of z. This is a procedure. Okay. So how will you do this? See, p of z of y of z can be written 1 by 1 6z inverse plus 8z inverse. Okay, so y of z by p of z is equals to 1 minus 5z inverse plus 6z is to minus 2. So now you cross multiply, you get p of z plus 6z is to minus 1, p of z plus 8 is to minus 2, p of z is equals to y of z. Now take the inverse, you get this equation, and then now realize. So this is what common delay terms are there. That's why we are doing all these arrangements, right? So directly also you can do this, right? So you can take direct common delay terms. On this side it goes to yn, and this side it goes to xn. Okay, reverse the new coefficients will get changed here. That is need to be taken care of. Otherwise it will go wrong. Okay, right. Next, the cascade structure. So if you divide it in two form here for cascade, right? So what you do, I'll divide this transfer function into two forms. So I'll take 1 minus 2z inverse 1 divided by 1 plus 4z inverse one side. The other side 1 minus 3z inverse divided by 1 minus 2z inverse other side. So now this is 1, this is 1. Now I'm cascading both. Right, the structure remains same, the previous one. Only I'll just divide this and we'll write that way. Parallel structure. Parallel structure is the similar one. Okay, you have to add these two. So you can see here, you have to add a by b. So you have to divide, you have to do the partial fraction this thing. Okay, so this is not in the standard form. To get the partial fraction, so divide this equation. So you get, why this is not in standard form, the numerator order and denominator order are not are same. Okay, so that's why I have to divide this and write it in a standard form. You get this way, then divide this, resolve into partial fractions. You get a divided by z plus 4, b divided by z plus 4. Compute the values of a and b, you get minus 21 and 10. Then you write in this form. Now you have to add these two. So this is one, this is another form. Okay. Okay.